Hello and welcome to this episode of Vegan Vendredi, part of a series on balance in nature brought to you by Nature Man. Follow us on our website, natureman.ca. Today we're going to talk about vegan pizza, and Paula's going to show you how to make vegan pizza dough with one of two different sauces, a white sauce or a red sauce. Paula?
Great, Dennis. Yeah, let's start talking about dough. And I've tried many different dough recipes, and this one is excellent. We're going to put these recipes on our website, so you can visit us at natureman.ca to get this recipe. Super simple, but the main thing I'm going to tell you is when you make your pizza dough, you want to make sure you put the wet stuff first. Now, I use a bread maker because it's super easy. I just put and walk away. See you in 50 minutes, less than an hour. I got pizza dough ready, and this pizza dough is beautiful. Dennis, if this pizza dough had to stand up against Boston Pizza, Domino, whoever, does it compete?
Absolutely.
Oh, it's so good. So, and this, I'm going to show you. Look at this. Easy.
The question is, can Boston Pizza compete?
Well, that's true, Dennis. Good point. So this pizza dough is beautiful. I use coconut oil on the pan and on my hands to roll it out. It's super easy, nothing sticks. And I don't even use a roller. I put coconut oil on the cup and I just use it to push the dough around. Super, super easy. Okay, so we talked about we want to make sure that the water goes in first, then carefully place your flour in. And we don't want the flour to splash the water all over everywhere. So I say carefully place the flour in. Then you're going to dig a little hole and very carefully put the instant yeast into the little hole that you dug in the flour, okay? And then turn the bread maker on, put it on your dough cycle, on your bread maker, pizza dough, and away you go, okay? So when we talk about balance, our food should be delicious and nutritious. A balance there. What we are doing with our sauce is we are creating a power food sauce here. So our first sauce is a white lima bean sauce, and talk about balance. This is designed to balance the blood sugar. Okay, so we have our white lima beans, and this is the final product of the pizza. We had white lima beans, which we actually made from dry. We explained how to do that in the recipe, again, on natureman.ca. Super simple. We had our white lima beans. We put them in the food processor, a little bit of smoked paprika. What did we use here? Onion powder, Italian herbs, some shredded garlic. Now I peel these, and then I just like that, right in the sauce. Super lovely. And our little bit of butter alternative, of course, you know, we use the Earth Balance or something. And then, you know, it's a little bit dry, so we got to add some liquid to get her going. So we just put a little bit of this soy for coffee, and it comes out nice and smooth and creamy. We just buttered it on, put our favorite toppings. This pizza, I can tell you, is so delicious. Now, that is this pizza. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Here we're going to quickly make a pizza together. This is our next pizza, which we haven't made yet, and it's our red pizza. And the very first thing we want to always do when we're making any food is have love in our heart, because then our food is vibrant. It has a beautiful energy. Okay, so when we have this pizza, we have our little bit of spices. So we're moving on to our black bean. Now, this one, we actually used a can of black beans. We didn't soak these beans, we just used a can. And I'm going to tell you, this is what's left over today. But last night, we actually had these black beans whole in this sauce with some rice, and it was super delicious. So, but today, now we've pureed it with some tomato sauce, tomato paste, and some of this Bragg's with our little bit of spices. We've got our cumin, we've got our coriander, garlic, onion, and smoked paprika. Smoked paprika, it's your must-have staple when you're a vegan and you're trying to kind of simulate some meat flavors. Beans are the healthy man's version of meat. So here we have our sauce. Okay, so we talked about balance, blood sugar, and balancing our blood sugar. And how we do that with beans is because they're what's called a complex carb. And complex carbs get digested slowly. So our carbohydrates are our number one source of energy for our food. Our body detects it and says, oh yeah, I'm going to use that to make some energy, thanks, come on with me, carbs. And if it's sugar, like a popsicle or chocolate bar or something with lots of sugar, that's called a simple carb, and the body doesn't do much to it, and it just goes into the bloodstream, and it doesn't get utilized really. It's not really quite needed. But slow carbs get processed and stored and are valuable. And beans are what we call a slow carb. So when we have a slow carb and they get used, they do things like balance. Let's look at these beans, the wonder food, the healthy meat. Beans are complex carbohydrates. They digest slowly, which helps our body to maintain our blood sugar balance. Balanced blood sugar helps us to balance our hormones, moods, and energy. Balanced blood sugar helps in many other ways, including the feeling of well-being and vitality. So there's our beans, complex carbs. Beans are so healthy. Okay, let's put on our mushrooms. Beautiful. Okay, if Dennis was doing this, they'd be exactly spaced and perfect. Not today, Dennis. Onions. Beautiful. If Paula does it, it looks like this. And tomatoes.
Tastes every bit as good.
All right, that's the spirit. Beautiful. And, of course, our vegan cheese.
Now you call it cheese. Is it cheese?
It's not. It's vegan shredded diet, kind of like our butter, It's not really butter, but it's a butter substitute.
Plant-based?
All plant-based, yeah.
Right.
Everything is plant-based. We're not vegetarians. We're vegans. So there's absolutely no dairy in this food. Okay, and our flour is a non-GMO flour. Look at that, not sticking. It's beautiful. It's going to come out of the oven so great. Let me just get this pizza before we go. And I just want to show you, look at this pizza. It's just got the perfect bend. Look at that bottom. It's so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Eat vegan, save the planet.
Remember, the number one thing you can do to help the planet is to stop eating meat, eggs, and dairy products. And as always, our friend the mascot, Mr. Moose, approves. He's a vegan.